We'll guide you through how to enable or disable IPv6 in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So some services and games may go and require IPv6 to be enabled, or there may be another reason why you want to have it enabled, or you want to go and disable it. Don't worry, we're going to walk you through this step by step, so make sure it's this full guide. You can do this whether you use Wi-Fi or Ethernet as well. If I press the Windows button at the bottom and open up settings, I'll go to the left and select network and internet. You go and see currently I'm using Wi-Fi, but you can also follow this whether you're using Ethernet as well. So you don't actually need to come into our settings. You need to go to the bottom and press search. Go and type in control panel like so, and you want to go and open it up in apps as you can see at the bottom here. In here, you want to go and find the option for network and internet. Then you want to go and find network and sharing center. Then you want to go to connections. You'll see whether it's Wi-Fi or Ethernet, it doesn't matter, and click on it. Then in here, go to the bottom left and go and find properties, and you'll get this pop-up. Scroll down and you're going to go and find Internet Protocol version 6. If I wanted to go and disable it, I could unselect it and press OK in the bottom right, or I could select it, then go and press OK to enable it. That's it. Then you could press OK, press close, and it's done. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.